So I'm back in Guangdong China, and I'm just about to have a meeting with Rookie New Energy. Basically they do wind power and solar panels. So I'm in the solar panel factory here, and this is actually a solar panelled LED. So it has its own solar panel power source, which is powering the LED. These LEDs are nice picture design. They can do any colours, everything. Also see-through ones and any different colours. So very impressed. You can even have a solar panelled self-powering TV. So this is the new one.
Yeah, this is the old technology.
And this is the old technology. Mr. Chen, the director, has just been advising me. His version is 100 volt DC with 1 amp and far more efficient than the old version. So I'm very pleased. It needs special connections that need a tool to disconnect. So, very impressive factory. The factory is completely automated, only 20 people working on the production line. Very, very impressive. And the product is way better than anything else currently on the market. So I'm very happy to go and see Mr. Chen and talk.